Hello dear students, welcome back to advertising management class. So today we'll discuss about the second unit of advertising management. The topic is integrated marketing communications, advertising and public relations. So these are the topics we'll be discussing about: the integrated communication mix, meaning, importance and elements. Then we'll discuss about communication meaning, importance, communication mix components, also known as the elements of IMC, and role in marketing, and branding meaning, importance in advertising. So let's start. IMC. What do you mean by IMC? It is the full form, integrated marketing communication. So first, one by one we'll discuss about it. When we talk about integrated means all the efforts collected together, right? So integration means सारी चीजों को इकट्ठा करना, and marketing to create a demand, to satisfy the customer, right? To create a need. So marketing and communication is the way to send the information from one person to another. All three are now together. Integration of all the marketing activities to communicate a message to the customer is known as the integrated marketing communication. So yes, integrated marketing communication is a management concept that brings together all the tools of marketing communication to send consistent message to the target audiences. IMC supports a common idea of communication across all communication tools. IMC is defined as a holistic approach to promote buying and selling in the digital economy, right? One more way of understanding IMC: integrated marketing communication, coordination of all promotional activities to produce a unified customer focused promotional message. यानी कि सारे promotional activities को combine करके customer को हर तरह से reach out करना. Okay, integrated marketing communication. And where promotion is their function of informing, persuading and influencing the consumer's purchase decision. Marketing communication, messages that deals with buyer and seller relationship. So all the activities and efforts are put in together to reach out to the customers or to attract the customer is known as integrated marketing communication. So it is a holistic approach of marketing where every effort is being coordinated and a customer is targeted by each and every medium. For example, if there is a customer and a company want to persuade a customer, so that company may use the advertisement on the television also, radio also, it can be on newspaper or maybe on magazine also, it can be in holdings, right? So that customer is targeted from every point is known as integrated marketing communication, right? Now we will be discussing about brand communication. Brand communication is an initiative taken by organizations to make their products and services popular among the end users. Brand communication goes a long way in promoting products and services among target consumers. The process involves identifying individuals who are best suited to the purchase of products or services, also called as target consumers, and promoting the brand among them, right? So this was about the brand communication. Now we are going to discuss about the components of integrated marketing communication. What are the components? The foundation, right? That means what kind of foundation is that of integrated marketing communication, right? So this component is based on a strategic understanding of the product and market. This includes changes in technology, buyers' attitudes, changes in technology, right, and behavior, as well as anticipated moves by the competitors. So this is the foundation. When we talk about the corporate culture, so corporate, increasingly brands are seen as invisible from the vision, right? The capabilities, personality and culture of the corporation. So this is all about the corporate culture, right? The brand focus. This is the logo, actually, the corporate identity or the tagline or the style and core message of the brand, that focus, right? And the consumer experience. The consumer experience, this includes the design of the product and its packaging of the product experience, for instance in a retail store and service, right? Next is a promotional tool. communication tools, right? So communication tools are what? This includes all modes of advertising, direct marketing and online communication, including social media and promotional tools. So this includes trade promotions, consumer promotions, personal selling, database marketing, customer relationship management, public relation and sponsorship programs, right? And integrated tools. So integration tools, this is a software that enables the tracking of consumer behavior and campaign effectiveness. So this includes customer relationship management software, web analytics, marketing automation and inbound marketing software. So this was all about the components of the integrated marketing communication. So next we are going to discuss, that is what the integrated marketing communication actually, what does it means. So it is about these elements of it. These elements we are going to discuss in detail later on, but this is in brief how it is been integrated. If an market and an advertising has been shown to the customer through personal selling, through public relation, or through sales promotion, through direct mail, through sponsorship and media advertising, it becomes the integrated marketing communication. It is a unified customer focused promotional message, right? So next we are going to discuss about the importance of integrated marketing communication. First is creating brand identity. Yes, of course, integrated marketing communication is helping to make an identity of a brand by the advertisements through various mediums to the customers in the integrated manner. Build relationship marketing. On the behalf of integrated marketing communication, the relationship marketing is being built, so that it is having importance in the relationship marketing also. Growth of global marketing. Of course, yes, while using the integrated marketing communication channel, there is the growth in global marketing too. Customer can differentiate the products as they are very much aware about the brand, because their integrated marketing communication channel has been used this platform for advertisement. Now new ways to reach to the customer. Yes, of course, this is the importance. IMC is having importance to reach out the customer in new ways, and very cost effective communication is being done. And growth of database marketing. Database marketing is also getting strong because of the importance of integrated marketing. Next, attracts dealers and stockists. Yes, of course, IMC attracts dealers and stockists. It helps to face competition. Core of direct marketing. Yes, of course, very important for direct marketing. Product planning. Because of IMC, the product planning is being done. Helps in price determination about the various brands, various products. Helps in designing promotional program. Which promotional program is basically important or suitable for the customer is being selected only because of the IMC. So it is having this importance, right? Next is, so next next topic will be marketing communication mix or element of IMC. We'll discuss in next video. Okay, thank you.